Welcome to JH. Prime Drops claims to be a natural supplement packed with 7 powerful ingredients that promise to fix everything from erectile dysfunction and blood flow to anxiety and sleep. It basically sounds like a miracle in a bottle, which is usually the first sign that it belongs in the trash. Many people are asking if this product is actually worth trusting, so let's break it down step by step. The first red flag is their boast of 100% quality assurance, GMP certification, and third-party testing. That sounds incredibly official until you actually try to find the proof. Spoiler alert. We couldn't find a single shred of evidence. It's like me claiming to be an astronaut just because I once looked at the moon through a Pringles tube. Moving on, the website tries to push you into claiming your exclusive bottle while supplies last, complete with a ticking countdown timer. This is a classic urgency trick used to make people rush into a purchase without actually looking at the facts. Apparently, nothing says medical breakthrough quite like a high-pressure sales tactic from a 2005 infomercial. The third concern is that Prime Drops claims to do literally everything. Fix ED, boost testosterone, improve sleep, reduce anxiety, give energy, and even melt fat. Let's be real. If one product could actually do all of that at once, doctors would be out of a job, and we'd all be walking around like Greek gods. Since that isn't happening, it's almost certain this stuff doesn't work for any of those claims. The cracks really start to show when you look at their contact information. They provide a support number and email, but when we checked, the phone number was actually just copied from a random spot on the internet. Nothing builds brand loyalty quite like a customer service line that leads to a confused stranger or a dead end. Finally, we went hunting for real customer reviews on Trustpilot and Reddit, only to find absolutely nothing. There is zero genuine feedback or independent verification to be found anywhere. Without actual human beings vouching for it, there's no way to know if Prime Drops delivers anything other than a lighter wallet. So is Prime Drops legit? When you pile up the unverified claims, fake urgency, exaggerated promises, and stolen contact details, it doesn't look trustworthy at all. In fact, it's about as reliable as a weather forecast in a hurricane. Prime Drops simply doesn't appear to be a safe or smart choice for your health. My advice is to be extremely cautious before spending a single cent here. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates that won't try to sell you magic beans.